What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. This trail camera is from iZEEKER. I have reviewed an iZEEKER before, but this one is a little bit different. This one is 4K, you guys, 4K. The other one I reviewed was, I think, 2.4K or something like that. So this is, I believe, 48 megapixels. It should say it here somewhere. I believe this one is 48 megapixels. So we are going to go ahead and get some highlights off some bird feeding and stuff like that. I might catch a deer. I don't know. I've been having a lot of deers lately, so maybe we might catch some baby deers. If not, then we definitely going to be bird watching with this. Now, this is solar powered, you guys. So the plus with that is I don't have to waste batteries, and I'm trying to open this thing, as y'all can tell. Opening the box right now, and it's basically the same box. Everything seems the same. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm gonna drop the link in the description, but you should get yourself the black one. The black one actually look cooler than the camouflage one, but the camouflage one will, will go with the trees. If you have this on your trees, you won't be able to tell if there's something on your trees or not. As usual, you get the trail camera, you get the tree strap, you do get your charging cable here, so you can actually charge this up if you want to, because it's a built-in battery. And then you have a nice booklet right here. You will have to use your SD card as usual. I'm going to take the protector off. Make sure you take your protector off in order for your trail camera to work at good function. But we open it up and everything is the same. If you've seen my other review with the iZEEKER, the 2.4K one, it's basically the same hookup. This is how you take this part off, and this is your sensor right here. So you have your sensor, you have your buttons. They actually give you an SD card, USB, your reset button. You have your tripod thread, female thread right there. And then, just like the other one, you clip that down, and let's see, clip that down, open up, and then you can actually add batteries in here. So you can use this as a backup battery as well, just in case you don't get enough sunlight and your trail camera don't charge good enough. You will have backup batteries. And that's about it, you guys. Now, to turn it on, you just switch up. And once you switch up, you can hit English. So we're gonna hit English right there. We got OK button right here. We're gonna hit OK for English. Now you have to set up your date, your time, and all of that. All right, so they got 4/24. I'm gonna hit enter. And then when you hit enter, it goes to, I believe that's the month. So we are in the 9th month of the year, according to the world. All right, enter. All right, I believe this is the 11th, so this is 9/11 today. All right, I'm gonna hit OK, and now we're gonna get into the time. Now, I do not have my watch here, but I'm gonna get to a close time. I think it's like 5, I'm gonna say 5 o'clock for now, and then I'll change it later. Do something anyway, so. All right, how many seconds? Enter. I'm just 0 seconds. Enter. Okay. Format memory card. Yes, we want to format the memory card. Okay. Now, we're formatting the memory card. Once again, I don't know if you can see all of this, you guys, but all right, so everything looks good. They may have formatted the memory card already, so that's why I went so quick. Now, if you want to get into the menu button is up here. Now, the main thing you may want to just change is your resolution and your mode. So in our mode, we usually use video. We don't use photos like that because, it's a trail camera. You want to capture some good videos of, maybe deers are coming in your yard. You want to make sure if it's deers, or you want to keep track of like mice or something or anything. So you could do photo and video if you would like, but we are just going to leave it on video. So we're going to hit OK or enter. We're going down right here, photo resolution. So I'm going to hit OK. Now if I do go to photo resolution, I'm going to go to, what do we have? They say 5 megapixels, 3, 2, 1, all the way to 48 megapixels. So I'm gonna hit OK for 48 megapixels. All right, photo series, I'm gonna leave that one alone. Video resolution, now that's the one I want to check out. Video resolution, we're gonna hit OK, and we are going to go to 4K, you guys. Now, I'm just gonna let y'all know this now, just in case for people that don't know nothing about cameras, recording, and all of that stuff. 4K uses up a lot of memory. 2K uses up still a lot of memory. 1080p is probably your sweet spot, but if you want some good quality resolution, then 4K is the top dog for now until you get the 8K and all of that stuff. But who has a computer that can handle that? So we are, oh, and it's counting down. Don't count down. Oh, it took a photo. I didn't want it to take a photo. All right, so I'm going back to menu. I lost track of myself. Okay, monitor. It says monitor delay 30 seconds. I'll leave that alone. Right now I'm going back to video resolution. I'm going up to 4K. I'm gonna hit enter. Now remember, this is a trail camera, so it's not like it's video recording all day. It's basically working as something steps in front of it or something like that. So yeah. All right, so you have video length. I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna do maybe like, what, 30 seconds? I'll do 30 seconds. All right, we'll take 30 seconds out of this. Cycle storage, it says off. Don't know what that means yet. What does cycle storage mean? I forgot. But I'll leave it off for now. All right, PRR interval. So this is for the sensor, I believe. So we'll leave that at 30 seconds. Sensitivity, we could leave the sensitivity on normal. I'm gonna have it close to the feeder, so target recording time, I'm gonna just leave, you guys, I'm gonna leave everything as is, but basically you hit menu, you hit up and down, you have your OK, and then you have mode. This is camera, and then you hit mode again, you go into video, and it should go into video. Let me hit mode. All right, now we in video. We're gonna leave this out for maybe like a day or two. Let's go ahead and check out the camera quality with this one. Leave it just like that. Oh, wait, let me see how much battery. All right, everyone, so we are on the final review on this iZEEKER 4K trail camera. Now, one thing I have to say is that the picture quality is good, you guys. Once again, you're not going to get the same picture quality as like your action cameras of today. You know, you're not going to get that really crisp quality because they have different apertures and like they seriously focus on action cameras. Right here, you're getting a simple trail camera, you guys. All right, now I can do like a side-by-side comparison when it comes to the 2.4K version that I have and the 4K version, so y'all can actually see like the difference between 4K and 2.4K or whatnot. So if you want to, you know, stay tuned. I will try to get y'all a video of a side-by-side so y'all can tell the difference. But other than that, this is their upgraded version. If you need to put this in the angle, you can put it in the angle, but it don't go that much in the angle, you guys. I mean, that's it. The camera did its job. It recorded very well. If you are an animal watcher, this is definitely a good camera to have. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.